darkly beautiful and home to uniquely adapted creatures. Nestled high in the Canadian Rockies within Banff National Park lies a lake of almost mythical beauty. This is Lake Louise. Its waters possess a striking turquoise color, a hue so vibrant it seems to glow from within. This remarkable color is no trick of the light. It comes from rock flour, fine particles of glacial silt suspended in the water. These particles are carried into the lake by meltwater from the surrounding glaciers, most notably the majestic Victoria Glacier that looms at its far end. The glacier, a river of ice, grinds the underlying bedrock, creating this fine powder that then refracts the sunlight to produce the lake's signature shade. The setting of Lake Louise is as spectacular as its waters. It is cradled by a ring of towering snow-capped mountains. The sheer rock faces rise dramatically from the shoreline, their peaks often shrouded in mist or catching the golden light of dawn and dusk. Not far from the splendor of Lake Louise, another glacial lake commands attention with its equally stunning yet distinct beauty. This is Moraine Lake, nestled in the dramatic valley of the Ten Peaks. Its waters exhibit an even deeper, more intense shade of blue than its famous neighbor. This vivid color, often described as an almost impossible blue, is also due to rock flour from glacial melt. The way the light interacts with these fine particles creates a spectacle that changes throughout the day and with the seasons, always captivating, always breathtaking. The lake is typically accessible from late May or early June until October, its surface frozen solid for the remainder of the year. The backdrop to Moraine Lake is truly iconic. The Ten Peaks, a series of rugged, imposing mountains, rise sharply above the lake, their jagged summits forming a formidable wall of rock and ice. Banff National Park, Canada's first national park, is a testament to preserving natural heritage. Established in 1885, it began with a 26 square kilometer reserve around the cave and basin hot springs. Today, it spans 6,641 square kilometers of unparalleled mountain scenery. A realm of towering peaks, vast ice fields, rushing rivers, and turquoise lakes. Nature's forces shape a rugged and exquisitely beautiful landscape. The mountains of Banff are its defining feature. Peaks like Mount Rundle, Cascasa, Cascade, Wasa, Aiket, Pantas, Cascade, and Castle Mountain dominate the skyline. These colossal structures are a part of the Rocky Mountains, renowned for dramatic scenery. has been carved by the Malin River, which has sliced through limestone bedrock to create a gorge up to 50 meters deep. Another infamous one, exciting one, is the Niagara, the roar of 1,000 waters. Leaving the majestic mountains of the west, our journey takes us eastward to one of the world's most famous and powerful water features, Niagara Falls. Located on the border between Canada and the United States, this natural spectacle is a testament to the sheer force of water. Niagara Falls is not a single waterfall, but rather a collective of three, the Horseshoe Falls, primarily on the Canadian side, and the American Falls and Bridal Veil Falls on the American side. The Horseshoe Falls is the largest and most powerful, with a staggering volume of water plunging over its wide, curving crest every second. It is a sight and a sound that truly overwhelms the senses. The roar of Niagara Falls is immense, a constant thundering bass note that can be heard from miles away. As you approach, the ground itself seems to tremble with the power of the cascading water. Now let's look at the Bay of Fundy, where tides sculpt the land. Our exploration now takes us to Canada's Atlantic coast, to a place where the ocean displays its power in a truly extraordinary way. The Bay of Fundy. This long funnel-shaped bay, situated between the provinces of New Brunswick and Nova Scotia, is home to the highest tides in the world. Twice a day, an astonishing 160 billion tons of seawater flow in and out of the bay. This volume is greater than the combined flow of all the world's freshwater rivers. The difference between high tide and low tide can be as much as 16 meters or about 53 feet, a vertical range equivalent to a 5-story building. This immense tidal range creates a unique and dramatic coastal environment. One of the most famous locations to witness the effects of these colossal tides is Hopewell Rocks in New Brunswick. Let's visit the St. Lawrence, a river's journey through history and nature. Flowing over 3,000 kilometers, the St. Lawrence River is a vital North American waterway. It shapes the geography, ecology, and history of eastern Canada, serving as a transportation route for Indigenous peoples, European explorers, and international shipping. Its journey includes diverse landscapes and a saltwater estuary teeming with marine life. Next up is the Rocky Mountains, sentinels of the West and our enduring connection. Our journey through Canada's natural wonders culminates with a return to the majestic Canadian Rockies. This vast mountain range, stretching for thousands of kilometers, forms the backbone of Western North America. The Canadian Rockies are renowned for their dramatic peaks, pristine lakes, vast ice fields, and abundant wildlife. These dynamic landscapes are shaped by erosion, glaciation, and tectonic uplift, and they stand as silent ancient sentinels, inspiring awe and humility. If you have made it to the end of the video, please comment where you are watching from and where you would like to visit in Canada. Please like, share, and subscribe to be a part of my loyal community. Thanks for watching.